Yeah, we played it. I didn't know you were here. I didn't even know you were here. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Usually when people notice me, they don't like me. And I just want to give people a chance to get to know me better.
Okay. Well, I mean, that's so sweet. I'd love to help. I think maybe I can help.
Okay.
You wanna?
Yeah, I want you to help.
I'm gonna help.
Special qualities that make us safe. I know it might seem to some a bit extreme, but I think you'll soon agree that it's quite sane. It's quite sane. We have the power to cure sore throats. Oh, 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 oh. We heat and cool the hive with our wings. Yeah, honey is nature's best medicine. Oh, 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 oh. And scientists are studying our stings. So I don't understand why you swat me away. If I am friend, then I would never do you harm. So much good I do, all the pollen that I move, and the food we help produce, me and my swarm. My swarm. My swarm. My swarm. All I can say is that the venom in my sting has the power to cure the virus HIV. It's so great. It's so great. I just want everyone to love all the bees. Yeah, 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 yeah. We keep millions of plants alive. Whoa, whoa. Make wax candles with my honeycomb. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. And if you want, you can visit me in my hive. It's a model of industry. Or I'll be in a tree. Or an apiary. Or hanging with other bees. 'Cause they're my family. We have a queen. 'Cause it's a matriarchy. And that's the way to go. Yeah.